At LeadSun, we listen to your needs and provide informative, unbiased, expert advice.
Our expert team takes a nuanced approach to design a fit-for-purpose, compliant and dependable solar lighting solution. This includes accurate battery performance, autonomy and longevity by using the local area's historical irradiance for the middle of winter in our calculation.
Installation is quick and easy with our plug-and-play systems, easy pole range and trusted installers.
When we finish a project, it doesn't end there. We have a dedicated after-sales service and support team you can depend on to keep your lights shining, including edge controls and monitoring for peace of mind.
Partner with us. We won't leave you in the dark.